What does cybersecurity mean? It's a pretty broad term, but basically covers all things that help protect your systems and data from attacks. Cybersecurity is more than just antivirus software. It's a detailed protection plan. But why is it important? And what types of threats can it stop? Let's take a look. Importance and use. If you have private data, information, and records for your business, you want to keep it safe. Technology is developing every day, and that's great, but it also means a greater risk of security breaches. Keeping up with the changing technology means changing how we protect our information. Cybersecurity for business is important and complicated. There's always new and different threats that you need to stay on top of. Hiring a professional who is an expert at cybersecurity is likely in your best interest. They dedicate their life to finding issues, fixing them, and preventing future threats. What it protects. So what exactly does cybersecurity protect against? It protects your information, your data, financial records, and other secrets from theft, to name a few. But who exactly are you protecting your data from? Cyber attacks comes in many forms, from phishing attacks or hacks to viruses and ransomware. All attacks have the same end goal in mind, to steal your information and to use it for personal gain. Unfortunately, the digital world makes cyber attacks even easier and cybersecurity more in demand. Levels of protection. So now that you know the importance of cybersecurity, how much protection is enough? The first step is knowing that all information is worth protecting. A cybersecurity company creates a protection plan based on your whole system. The plan finds gaps in security and can even prevent future attacks. If you're running a business, technology audits will keep your cybersecurity up to date. This gives you continued protection for a growing business. Preparing and protecting against security breaches is much easier than trying to repair damage that's already been done. Remember, cybersecurity isn't a one-shot deal. It's important to have a cybersecurity plan in place now and into the future. Your plan should also include recovery methods in case a breach does happen. Having a security and recovery plan in place, plus backing up your systems, will help you to be completely future-proof and your valuable information kept safe. Hiring a company like the Scarlett Group can help you create and implement your plan. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.